Iginiit ni Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas Deputy Governor Ms. Lynn Javier ang mahalagang papel ng Chief Bank sa pagpapanatili ng sigla ng ekonomiya ng bansa. Ayon sa datos, hanggang Hunyo ng 2025, ngayong kasalukuyang taon mga kabombo, patuloy na lumalago ang thrift banking industry. Ibig sabihin, tumaas ito ng 4.58% na total asset, habang tumaas naman ang total loans sa 5.91%, habang 4.75% naman ang total deposits at 5.63% ang total capital, habang umaabot naman sa 908.1 billion pesos ang kabuang net loans. Nananatili ring mas mataas ay tinakdang regulatory threshold ang minimum liquidity ratio ng sektor na nagpapakita ng matibay nitong kakayahan na tugunan ang mga panandaliang obligasyon.
Let us pause to recognize the vital role of thrift banks. The industry may have a modest share in terms of system assets, but its impact is far from modest. Your contribution to financial inclusion, household and MSME financing support continues to power economic growth and stability. As of June 30, thrift banks account for around more than 4% of total assets of the Philippine banking system, around 6% of total loans, 5% of total deposits, and 5.6% of total capital. This is my favorite. The liquidity ratio, minimum liquidity ratio, you know why this is my favorite, stands strong at 31.6%, well above the 20% threshold.
Opisyal ang pahayag kasabay ho ng pagdalo nito sa General Membership Meeting ng Chamber of Thrift Banks sa lungsod ng Makati ngayong araw. Kabilang nga sa dumalo ay ang President and CEO ng Bomboradio Philippines at CEO ng Queen City Development Bank na si Ms. Margaret Ruth C. Florete, at hindi naman bababa sa 30 bangko na miyembro ng naturang chamber.
For the most trusted source of news and information, visit our website at www.bomboradio.com. Follow us on Bombo Radio mobile app, Facebook, YouTube, TikTok, and X, formerly Twitter. Like, share, and stay connected. Anytime, anywhere.